Hello, I'm Fatima, Senior Developer Advocate at GitLab. Today I'm going to show you Duo Code Review, an agentic reviewer that understands your merge requests, reads the context of your wider codebase, and leaves you comments directly in your MRs. To turn Duo Code Review on for your organization, start at your top level group. Go to Settings, General, and then scroll down to GitLab Duo and turn it on. Make sure that Allow Foundational Flows is also on. In the same group, head to the merge request settings where you can enable automatic reviews by GitLab Duo so that every new merge request in this group gets an automatic first pass review. You can also store your review rules alongside your code in .gitlab/duo mrreviewinstructions.yaml. In our merge request instructions for this project, we have specified some standards for JavaScript and TypeScript files. This tells Duo that when it reviews files under source that match these patterns, it should apply this checklist. Here's the merge request we just opened in our project. With automatic code reviews by Duo enabled, code review flow runs as soon as the merge request is created. In the background, Duo is reading the changed files, following cross-file dependencies, and pulling in context from the linked issue and existing discussions. When the session finishes, Duo posts review comments directly on the merge request. First, Duo posts an overall summary comment. Here, it's outlining its review. This review was based on error handling, regex implementation, and design improvements. When we take a look at the comments, we can see that Duo is pointing out revisions based on our custom review instructions, such as proper error handling for regex, which is great. It also catches this bug, where our scanner is skipping files larger than 512 kilobytes without reporting them. We can interact with GitLab Duo by replying to its review comments, asking for clarification or alternative approaches. We can also mention it in any discussion thread to ask follow-up questions. If you push new changes to the MR, you can also tag GitLab Duo to do a re-review. GitLab Duo Code Review gives every merge request a first-pass review based on your instructions or coding standards. Check the links in the description to learn more and enable Duo Code Review for all of your projects. Thanks for watching!